niguo kurahanaga tauni-ini ya Narok thutha wa mbura nene guthandana hwaini wa ira. Riu ahuri biacara tauni-ini no maratara hathara thutha wa muiyuro kuhobaniiria biacara ciao na guthukagia indo cia muigana wa mamilioni ma mbeca. Ona kuhana uguo, waki wa daraca na mitaro ya maai iria irathie na mbere gwakwo ni gukorwo ikirika ica ikuhi, ni kuringana na mwene kandarathi Wesley Koech.
We are appealing to wananchi and the business community to bear with us. We are working around the clock to make sure the road is finished within the next few weeks. There are no delays. We are well within our time.
Miario-ini yake Koech meregereire gukorwo matirihite gwaka wiki igere ciokete, ona thengia ya gukorwo ni maratungana na mathina ta muhatikano wa ngari tauni-ini ino.
One thing to note is that we are working during a heavy rain period. So therefore, the working hours sometimes are curtailed. We don't have enough hours, but we will try our best to make sure that businesses are not affected beyond the suffering already witnessed.
Mwena-ini wake minista wa migunda kaunti-ini ino Julius Sasai niugite ona thengia ya indo nyingi kurira muiyuro-ini, thirikari ya kaunti ni gutigirira ni yagacirithia miturire yao o undu umwe na biashara ciao.
Serikali ya county government ikiongozwa na governor wanafanya juhudi kuhakikisha mambo ya biashara imerudi kawaida, na tumeongea na mheshimiwa sahi governor na tumesha mobilize tinga zetu machinery personnel mpaka tuhakikishe barabara zote imefunguka.
Nao aikari a Narok aria makite cikaro ciao hakuhi na mitaro ya maai ni moretio matharie nyumba ciao niguo ene kandarathi mahote gwaka mitaro iyo ringi. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Muthoni wa Njoroge.